Today I'm going to show you how to use the AI edits in Microsoft Photos. So the first thing you need to know is when you're opening up a photograph or an image of any sort in your computer, you will actually be using Microsoft Photos. Okay, over here you can see this is what the icon looks like. Now if you want to do AI edits, it's quite simple. You're going to go to the top over here and you're going to click on this icon, and this is allowing you to edit with Designer. Now Designer is built into Microsoft Photos. However, you can also access Microsoft Designer separately, not within the Photos app. So over here you can see this is my image. On the left hand side I have the edits. Right over here you can see it has the little stars, and this is indicating that these are AI edits. Now there are adjustments that we can make, and these are going to be just natural edits. But if we're going over here to edits, we are going to see background. So here we can remove a background, we can blur a background, we can change the background color. Here you can transform objects within your image, such as erase, move, or cut out. You can also crop an object, or you can create a sticker, and then you can also edit text. There's also enhancements here, so you will be allowed to upscale with AI. You can change the focus, and then you can use the AI color pop over here. Now these filters and effects are also essentially AI edits, but we're focusing more on the object transformation and the enhancements. So let's go ahead and say erase. We've currently got this section selected. What we can do is we can either use a brush or select. So let's go ahead and select an area. We can come over here to the left hand side and click on erase. And now we have our object erased. On the top right you can click on save, and now you know how to use the AI edits in Photos.